In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the zoom level on Google Sheets to make your viewing experience more comfortable and efficient. Whether you're working on a large spreadsheet with extensive data or simply wish to customize the size of your view for better clarity, adjusting the zoom level is a quick and easy process. Let's dive in and see how you can do this in a few simple steps. First, open the Google Sheets file where you want to adjust the zoom. You can do this by navigating to Google Drive, locating your file, and double-clicking to open it. If you have the link to your Google Sheets document, you can simply click it, and it will open directly in your default web browser. Once your spreadsheet is open, direct your attention to the menu bar located at the top of the screen. Here, you'll find various options such as File, Edit, View, and more. For our task today, you'll want to click on the View option. This menu is crucial as it contains several commands that affect how your spreadsheet is displayed and perceived. With the View menu expanded, you'll see a list of choices that allow you to manipulate the visual aspects of your sheet. For now, we're focusing on Zoom. Hover over or click Zoom, and a drop-down menu should appear, featuring several zoom options you can select. Now, think about how you want your spreadsheet to appear. If you prefer to view more of the spreadsheet on your screen at once, you might choose a lower zoom level, such as 100%. Conversely, if you find yourself straining your eyes or want a closer look at your data, consider selecting a larger zoom level, like 125% or even 150%. The choices you make here should cater to your personal comfort and the type of data you're working with, so feel free to experiment a little. Click on your desired zoom percentage, and you'll see your spreadsheet instantly adjust to match your chosen setting. This functionality not only helps in viewing larger datasets more easily, but also ensures that you have an optimal working environment for reviewing any minute details without unnecessary scrolling or eye strain. Once you've selected your preferred zoom level, take a moment to evaluate how this change affects your overall workflow with the spreadsheet. Are you able to see everything clearly? Is there additional data you need to account for at this level? If the initial setting doesn't feel quite right, you can revisit the menu and select a different zoom level until you find the one that offers you the best view. Repeat these steps as needed, depending on the newest situation or user preferences. With this simple adjustment, you've learned how to efficiently manage your workspace in Google Sheets. Thank you for following along today, and I hope this enhances your productivity with Google Sheets.